Hi, welcome to Shri Krishna Kitchen. Good morning, everyone. Today I am preparing puri and vegetable kurma. To make puri, here I have taken 6 tablespoon wheat flour and 1 tablespoon Bombay Rava, semolina. Semolina makes the puri very crispy. I am not going to mix now. Let me prepare the vegetable kurma. Ingredients for vegetable kurma. Here I have chopped all the vegetables. 8 beans, 1 medium size carrot, 1 medium size potato, 1 piece capsicum, small piece shredded cabbage, 2 big type tomatoes, 6 cubes paneer, 1 medium size onion. To make the paste for kurma, directly adding into the mixie jar 3 small tablespoon grated coconut, few coriander leaves, 10 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Let us grind into a smooth paste. In the meantime, I cook vegetables in the pressure cooker. Add potato, capsicum, cabbage, carrot, beans, tomato can be added later. Add water above the level of vegetable. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Close the lid. Switch on the gas. Remove after 2 whistles. Making the paste, let us add little bit water, 2 green chilli and grind into a smooth paste. Masala paste is ready. Here I have taken 1 cup frozen green peas. I will switch off the gas after 2 whistles. Let it cool for 10 minutes. In between, let me prepare for the kurma. Kept kadai. Keep on high flame. Add oil. It's hot. Add dry masala. 4 cloves. 2 pieces cinnamon. cardamom, add chopped onion, fry until translucent, half teaspoon cumin seed, like the flavor of fennel seed, so quarter teaspoon fennel seed, mix well, salt, now add tomato, mix well. This is a frozen green peas, so I did not cook with the vegetables. I am adding here. Keep the flame on high. Saute it. Let it cook. Close the lid. Masala paste into this. The raw smell goes. Fry well. Next you can add half teaspoon ghee. A teaspoon turmeric powder. Add paneer cubes. Now add vegetables. Vegetable depends on your choice. You can also add cauliflower with this. Today I don't have cauliflower. Mix well. Let it boil. Boiling, it's already done. Close the lid. Switch off the flame. I'll make the puri dough. Add salt. Add water. Puri dough is ready. Keep kadai. Let us make small, like a small ball to make puri. Pour oil, pour, dust the wheat flour, I am going to make a baked puri. Dip in the wheat flour. Now let us fry the puri. Just push it on, press it. Press it. Ready? It's a very tasty kurma. Please friends, once you try this and write a comment. If you like this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.